this echo thing is annoying, I also maybe want to add something, which is that now I also look at this.
In the interesting project, we are working on the development of a novel hybrid methodology and the new design tools to assess reliability of larger wind turbine critical components without the need of building larger test benches in the future. The new hybrid methodology, contrary to existing test pyramids, is based on three important pillars. A simplified physical test part, where we will analyze smaller specimens or specific failure modes, and these tests will be cheaper and faster. The advanced virtual models. These models will be able to evaluate the lifetime considering uncertainties and variabilities from different sources. And finally, the fusion of the physical and virtual parts. Using upscaling techniques and considering the scale effect, we will predict the reliability and lifetime behavior of the real-size components.
The interesting consortium gathers 8 entities from Finland, Belgium and Spain. There are 3 technological centers, 2 wind turbine component manufacturers, 1 software developer, 1 university and 1 energy cluster association. The consortium is also supported by the Technical Advisory Group, which provides expert advice periodically, contributing to the success of the project. This group is made up of representatives from 8 leading stakeholders from the wind energy sector, 3 wind turbine manufacturers, 1 wind energy developer, 1 certification body and 3 testing centers for large components.
Laulagun is responsible for the case study 1, which is related to a pitch bearing for a 20 MW offshore turbine that will be installed from the year 2030 onwards. The reference virtual wind farm is defined with 102 turbines with total size of 2 GW, and the defined location is in the coast of Denmark. The pitch bearing diameter is 7 meters and the required lifetime is 40 years. The new innovative idea that we have developed is based on a new roller design for a 3-row roller bearing, and it must fulfill the loading, environmental and structural specifications.
In Moventas, we are developing a new concept for a 10 MW gearbox. We have already developed the gearbox concept and novel journal bearing design. Within the interesting project, we will also develop hybrid testing methodologies, and we will test how both the concept and the methodologies work in real life.
The third case study is based on a pitch bearing of 2.6 meters of diameter from a 3.4 MW onshore wind turbine. For the purpose of the project, we have intentionally designed the pitch bearing to fail during the first 4-5 years. So in few years, some cracks will appear on the rings, and the crack will start in the bolted connection hole. In the project, we are defining a solution for 2 situations: the reparation of the failed bearings in order to slow down crack propagation, and a stiffening solution in order to delay the initiation of the crack. This innovative idea is based on a patent that was created by Laulagun in collaboration with Ickerland, in which, using composite materials or adhesives, it is possible to repair or stiffen the bearing rings.
The smart future sensing technology allows to efficiently combine simulation and physical testing to augment the information available during the design process, but also during operations. Engineering companies are well aware that simulation and physical testing have their own limitations, especially when dealing with complex systems as in wind turbine applications. On one side, physical testing allows you to measure reality, but at the same time, it is not always possible to instrument all the locations of interest. At the same time, in simulation models, we can measure everything we want, thanks to the virtual environment, but simulations are often disconnected from reality. With the smart visual sensing technology, we want to close this gap, combining the best of the physical and the virtual world, and to be able to use physical sensors as input for our models that, thanks to the state-of-the-art estimation framework, is capable of virtually measuring any location of interest. This, as you can imagine, has a huge potential when it comes to shorten design process of new components, also to reduce instrumentation times and hardware costs.
At Karlöwe, we are building high-fidelity models of bearings. These models follow the laws of physics, and this is important because it allows us to virtually scale up the bearings, avoiding the need for testing large components. We blend the models with measurements to make sure they represent reality. During upscaling, we focus on the effects related to nonlinearities, such as the contact between the rolling elements and the races.
Vito is responsible for the LCSA within the project. With the input from our project partners, we are assessing the environmental, economic and social performance of the hybrid testing method and all 3 case studies. Additionally, we will compare them with the performances of the business as usual reference scenarios that we already have assessed. By doing so, the LCSA will help our project partners to maximize the innovation potential of the technologies that they are developing.